Hello, my name is Robbie Knight, or Robbie Longcat, as I'm known elsewhere on the internet. I work for Community Music CM. I'm responsible for the Search and Reflect teaching, both in this form and also here in London in person. Search and Reflect was a set of workshops originally written by a fellow called John Stevens, who was an improvising drummer. He, in fact, set up Community Music CM back in 1983. I never met John Stevens. I learnt Search and Reflect from Alison. Search and Reflect is split into 3 sets of workshops. We have songs, improvisation pieces, and rhythm pieces, and we're going to do examples of each of those 3 over the course of this module. The other way we can look at Search and Reflect is as a model for how you might make a piece. As an example of this, when I first learnt Search and Reflect, I wrote a piece of music called A Bird, which in fact we're going to do later on in this module.